Hi, I'm Paola Macias, an undergraduate student at UC Davis. My major is pharmaceutical chemistry, and I enjoy watching the Newest Emeriti lectures, and in particular, Doctors Inés Hernandez Avila, because it was very inspiring learning about her research on engaging the indigenous hemisphere. It was also very inspiring learning that she's a first generation and one of the founders of Mexican American Studies in Austin, Texas. I also really like that she said how the Native American Studies program at UC Davis was the only program that allowed her to be herself. Um, Her whole presentation was very inspiring, and that's why it was my favorite one. And lastly, I want to thank the other doctors for for their presentations, who were also very inspiring. Dr. Gabbs, Dr. Pacia, Hernandez Avila again, Shapiro, Cherry, Risbet, Red, Tejurma, and Shikola. Thank you very much.